It's hard to know what to expect from a drug crime lawyer if you've never been charged before, and just looking at the numbers can be scary. 44.6% of inmates currently in the prison system were arrested for drug-related crimes. This may make you feel helpless in the face of a drug charge, but you don't need to. The right drug crime lawyer will give you a fighting chance. So let's take a look at what you should look for in your lawyer, and what you can expect from them along the way. Maybe you're looking out of state for your lawyer because you have a lawyer that your friends and or family have suggested. Or maybe you want a lawyer from out of state because you think they'll be cheaper. Whatever your reason, you should reconsider. There are a lot of legal and practical issues involved in hiring a lawyer from out of state. Drug crime lawyers can practice in multiple states. The problem is that they have to go through a complex process before they can legally do this. What they need to do varies from state to state. So if a lawyer has a license in one state, they can't just practice in any U.S. state. To practice in multiple states, lawyers can do two things. They can either take the bar exam for each state they want, or they can apply for reciprocity. It's highly unlikely you'll find a lawyer that has gone through all of this, so you should just stick with searching for lawyers in your state. Even if you find a multi-state lawyer, they won't be as good as a local one. Non-local lawyers won't know as much about a state's laws as local ones. Why is that a problem? The less knowledge a lawyer has about a state's laws, the slower they'll go. They'll have to search every law instead of remembering them. A local drug crime attorney will also know more about how the local legal system functions. This can give them an advantage when trying to navigate the system during a case. It's not enough that your lawyer is local. They also need specific experience. You need to get a drug crime attorney that has handled cases similar to yours before. Drug laws tend to differ from drug to drug. You can also wind up with a different sentence depending on a variety of factors. For instance, you can face a tougher sentence if you're caught selling drugs near a school zone. A drug law case requires a wealth of background information. You need to hire a drug crime lawyer that has a handle on the specific information relevant to your case. No lawyer can tell you with 100% certainty how your case will go. With the right experience, they can, however, make pretty accurate predictions. As lawyers go through the same type of cases repeatedly, they should start to get a feel for how certain situations often play out in the courts. If they pass this knowledge on to you, you can prepare yourself better for each stage. The best criminal defense lawyer in town will also likely be the busiest. The lawyer that you want may be unable to get to your case right away. If you're willing to wait, then this may not be a problem. But you probably want to have your drug case wrapped up as soon as possible. If so, you may need to find a lawyer with less on their schedule. How lawyers allow you to pay them can vary. Some lawyers expect you to pay them by the hour. Others will allow you to pay per service they provide. Many lawyers will also allow you to pay them back over months. This plan can be much more affordable for those who can't pay in full right away. Consider your finances as you're searching for lawyers, and be sure to ask for these details as early as possible, so you can weed out lawyers that aren't right for your personal situation. With this information, you're ready to start looking for the lawyer you need for your unique situation. If you're in the Racine or Kenosha counties, consider seeking out our help at Patton Law. Schedule an appointment today.